Welcome to Dynal.AI, your best LinkedIn agent. Did you know that with just 3 simple steps, Dynal.AI can transform your valuable PDF into high-quality, eye-catching, and engaging LinkedIn posts? Step 1. Click Connect LinkedIn to ensure your LinkedIn account is successfully linked with Dynal.AI. Step 2. Click Upload Source in the lower left corner of the chat window. From the available options, click on Choose Files and upload your PDF. Step 3. Enter your idea, for example. Summarize this from a founder's perspective and design it as a LinkedIn post. Next, select how many images you want, then click Generate. Your intelligent agent will get to work right away. By the time you've taken a few sips of coffee, Dynal.AI will have automatically created both the visuals and layout for your post, perfectly blending text and design. If you want to fine-tune the image, just click Edit inside the image to replace elements or adjust the layout. When everything looks good, click Publish. Your post automatically goes live on LinkedIn, ready to spark interest and conversation. From file to influence, all in just a few minutes. Dynal.AI turns every PDF into a spark of inspiration.